Well, guys. I got my new phone, and it's a Samsung Galaxy S5. And I got rid of my old one, the Motorola Moto E that I was telling you about. And I got enough storage with my new phone. And I got my YouTube channel on my new one here. Anyways, I'm here to do a cold start with my grandpa's 1991 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat. And it's only got 64,000 original miles on it. Still low mileage. Like I said, it has 64,000 original miles. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it a little bit. Okay. Whoa, that was a cold start. It's a 5-liter V8. Jeez, it's cold outside. I hate this cold weather. I want warm weather. Gotta close the door because I don't want the cold heat getting in.
Baby, I could die. And 95.
Got air conditioning and everything. Alright, let's shut her down. Yeah, I'll leave it unlocked.